Assalamualaikum everyone. Right now I'm here for Fiverr clone footer section. This one for Fiverr original site. See this already footer section. This one for category, about us, support, community, and for more from for Fiverr. This one for footer section. So I am for create for already similar footer section. Go to menu builder first of all and select for you can create for new, and for select I am already create, so footer 2 section create, and then for select I am already add for all category and subcategory, all everything all I'm already add. See this option I am already add, and top menu select because the 3 option I provide. So this one for 1 2 3 and all everything this were there. You can easily for URL change, you can easily change any URL, you can change for any URL. Example, you not need this one time URL, so you can remove the URL, no problem. And just for save change I'm go to for this on my website Laravel. This one for footer section, see this title and about us and for all information, and this one for footer section, and this one for categories, and I can just move it. Example, this one I'm just for category last one, save change, save. See already first about second category. You can easily for every change, you can easily just your choice, just select and change, and everything is fully dynamic, is for fully dynamic, not for static. Is this one for fully dynamic. I hope like my video, this one very short video. Like my video, subscribe my channel, and also like this video and share this video. Need this script, go to the link description below, you can purchase this script. Thank you.